Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried donuts. First, gather all your ingredients including flour, sugar, eggs, milk, yeast, and oil. Having everything prepped makes the process much smoother. Active yeast is crucial for light, fluffy donuts, so check its freshness. Accurate measurements, especially for flour, ensure your dough has the perfect consistency. Finally, prepare your frying oil, ensuring it's ready for the next steps. Now let's craft that perfect donut dough. Gently combine your wet and dry ingredients, mixing until just incorporated. Next, knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten, giving your donut structure. Place the dough in a warm spot to rise, allowing it to double in size. Finally, roll it out evenly to about 1/2 inch thick, ready for cutting. It's time for the exciting part, frying. Heat your oil to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is key for perfectly cooked donuts. Fry your donuts in small batches, perhaps 3 or 4 at a time, to prevent the oil temperature from dropping too much. Once they are golden brown on one side, flip them over. After frying, transfer them to a wire rack lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. To finish, let's add some delicious touches. Prepare a simple glaze by whisking powdered sugar with a little milk or water until smooth. While your donuts are still warm, dip them into the glaze, ensuring an even, shiny coating. If you like, add sprinkles or other fun toppings before the glaze sets. Serve your homemade fried donuts immediately to enjoy their incredible freshness and flavor. They're truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.